What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. Anyways, today we're going to attempt to cure the rust problem in the corner panel. I have no body work experience. There's just Subarus are known to have rust, especially up where I live. They're known to have rust on the bottom back portion of the quarter panel where the tires are. It's an unfortunate problem, but it's happened to like almost all the Subis that I've ever owned. I had a 2002, 2003, 2005, 2011. Literally they all have the same issue. I don't know why. It's just people in Subaru just decide to put like, hey, let's put rust on there and it'll just grow. So I bought some spray paint. You heard me right. I bought some spray paint. Let me show you actually. Bought some rattle can spray paint. It is blue, World Rally blue, same color as this Subi, and hopefully I can, make it look decent. I have no painting experience neither, and hopefully I don't mess this up. So enjoy while I mess. Oh yeah, if I mess this up really bad, I get to put fender flares on it, so wide body or not, doesn't really make a difference to me. So if I mess up, wide body. If not, I'll keep it as is. So let's see how I do. All right, guys, so I really can't believe I'm gonna do this, but here it is. This is the problem that we're having. Look at that. That is sad. I don't know what this part is. Assumingly, the previous owner did something here. No idea. The other side doesn't have this, but can't believe I'm gonna give this a shot. Like, this is really daunting, really scary. However, if I mess this up tremendously, fender flares. Well, I could just hide that stuff, cut it, hide it, but damn, these rims are gonna look nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I haven't test fitted it yet. It will be slightly lower as soon as like the jack stands are out, but she pops up just a teeny little bit. Just a little bit. She pops out. But no, if I end up with the fender flares, I will, however, get some wheel spacers to fill it out a little bit so it doesn't look completely wacky. So, man, I can't believe I'm about to do this. I'm gonna grind this down and, well, first I'm gonna take off these rims. I don't wanna get them too dirty, but I will start grinding this down. All this grossness. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I have a respirator on and I just, put rubbing alcohol in it because I've been cutting tiles on it and I just wanted to clean it up, and it smells straight up like alcohol in here still. I hope I don't get drunk inhaling all these fumes because I do need to drive to work in a few minutes. So let's give this a shot. Also, I'll probably sound a little muffled, so if you can't hear me, sorry. I'm gonna take this guard off, mostly because it's gonna be in my way. Trying to get the perfect angle, and yeah, let me actually take off the rim. I completely forgot. All right, guys, so rim is off, guard is off. Safety squints are a go. All right, here we go. Alright, so I just kind of cut myself. Sucks, but it's coming along. So yeah, I just cut myself. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna put a band-aid on it. Don't want to get metal shards in there. I'll be back. So far, it's pretty deep and pretty bad, but I got a boo-boo. So I'll just continue a little bit, and when I come back from work, it's gonna need a lot of grinding. All right, guys, now I am more prepared. I got gloves on because I did cut my finger pretty bad, and we shall continue trying to get rid of this rust. Attempt number 2. Wow, guys, this is really bad. There's like a hole right here. Alright guys, so I didn't realize that my camera died while I was doing it, but I didn't really finish it. I didn't really do much. All I did was continued taking this off. I got a lot of the rust out. I'm not trying to get it to be too perfect because, you know, I'm just gonna, this is my beater car, but you know, I just want to learn and experience things. I am gonna do a little primer because I don't want too much of the raw metal to be showing, so I'm just gonna do a nice little primer. We'll wait till it dries, and yeah, we'll continue from there. I'm just gonna probably bondo it, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest with you. Very minimal Googling. All right, so my white primer wasn't working, but I have black primer. Let's try that out. Okay, I'm back. Primed and ready to go. Okay, there we go. There. Rust is gone. Now we wait for tomorrow for it to dry, and I shall put bondo. Yes, bondo over it, then sand it, and then paint it again. Yeah, that's what I'll do. All right, guys. So cut my finger pretty bad. I would show you guys, but I don't think YouTube would want me to show you how bad the cut is, you know. But right now, as you can see, it's kind of dried out or dried up. We'll take a closer look in a second. All right, so I do need a few, well, I did miss a few spots, and maybe I should just go get better material. I'm thinking whatever this goopy stuff is, I should grind that down some more, just get it out of the way. I kind of just don't want it there. And yeah, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, too perfect, because it looks like it runs deep in there, and not really a project I'm willing to do right now, because honestly, I'm probably just gonna end up cutting this off, but I guess it's good practice. I did want to try something with a rattle can, see if it works out even remotely as good as I think it would be, but I did miss a few spots. I am going to pick up some more material, maybe some actual masking tape, I don't know, instead of using my electrical tape, and I also ran out of it, and I do use a lot of electrical tape. But anyways, while I get more stuff, I want to show you guys what I actually have in planned, or what I have planned out for this little project. So guys, I just want to show you what I have in store, planned, whatever the case may be, whatever you want to use in the future. So this is my little rendering drawing right here. Everywhere it's gonna look perfect. I'm gonna put some, and then it's gonna do all kinds of things. But anyways, that's what I got for you guys this week. Hopefully next week my finger will get better and we can continue on with this little project. I did buy this little kit along with this blue spray paint. I painted a hammer. Let me show you guys the hammer. So here's the hammer I painted blue. Yeah, it looks like it matches the color. Granted, I only gave this one coat, and it's not like I prepped this hammer to get painted at all. So there's a lot of spottiness. I didn't put primer. I just wanted to see if it would match the paint of the Subaru to an extent, probably with the correct kind of primer. I did want to use a white primer, so I will go out and buy some more white primer, and I'd rather, you know, do that because I feel like white will be easier to do coats over and it'll get darker, versus the black primer, it'll just be dark all around, so I can't really play too much with dark primer. I also bought this kit right here. Ta-da! Got this from a store that we will not speak of. I thought it'd be pretty cool to give it a shot. Like I said, I don't really care if this comes out really bad. At the end of the day, it will be covered some way or another. Oh man, I completely forgot. Like, subscribe, check it out. Hit that notification button right there. It'll show you guys when I come out with a new video. And potentially, I'll get some money for this because this stuff is expensive. Guys, do you know how much steel costs? Damn man, I'm trying to get one piece of pipe. It's like $80 for one 6 foot. You know, I'm not even gonna